Hi Flowmies, my name is Gillian Ashley and I have a Flowstar tutorial for you today. Today we are going to be learning the 3-beat penguin catch. There's only one prerequisite for this and it's the reverse figure 8. All right, so we're gonna start by doing our figure 8 and then straight into a toss to the next arm, like that. The way we are catching is with our arm and hand back like this, like a penguin, and you, from here you just continue your figure 8 into the next toss. So we have reverse figure 8, toss, catch, and then you continue your figure 8, toss, catch. So the most important thing is just the catch right here. You want to have your arm like this, and then it allows you to continue through that figure 8. We're practicing both arms, so we don't need to switch. This is an amazing transition for your flow. It looks seamless and smooth, and you can toss the star around anyway. And that was it for the 3-beat penguin catch. Thank you for watching. A like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.